me Bishes, 'tis I, Chlois, aka Manny Bish, over on Instagram. And today we are doing a Maniology Manny X Me unboxing, and we have some gnome themed stuff. So we have acorn and artichoke, and so sorry, I didn't want to leave my cough in and make y'all's ears hurt. So anyways, acorn is a brown color, so it says in the description. We'll get there. Artichoke is like a goldy green-ish kind of color. I think it looks a little green. I don't know. Y'all can tell me when you see it. So here are our polishers, and this is a $25 box, and you get 2 polishes before anybody else. They will eventually be mainline polishes. And then you get 2 stamping plates that are exclusive to the box. Nobody else can get them unless they are a Maniology Manny X Me subscriber. And these are cute little boxes, or cute little stamping plates. Yeah, I was holding it upside down. My bad. So we've got some gnomes and gardening stuff going on. Some plants and such, and then this plate is so cute because it literally comes and you can like build your own gnome. Like, how cute is that? You've got the little feet, the little beards and hats. I think that's adorable. So, and then you get an exclusive like free gift kind of thing, or mystery item, and this one is the like skin protectors that you put around your nails before you start stamping, so you don't get or become a hot mess. And so I used nail polish for this video specifically because I finally am settled in and have all of my stuff. So this is me speaking to y'all in the present time, not 3 months ago. So I had some videos I wanted to do, so I did nail polish on this one to get it like quick and easy and everything. So I've got nail polish down, and now we're going to start stamping over this one. And I'm going to do this little like mushroom house situation here on my thumb. I don't know, what do you call this? I don't know, but it's cute. And so that's what I'm doing. And I used the color acorn, so that's what I'm saying. Like, it says that it's brown, but I guess it is brown, but it kind of looks like a gray-ish brown, more so. And then I couldn't exactly get my gnome to work right on the feet aspect, so we did a gnome without feet. We did a beard and a hat instead on my gnome. So, yeah. So I put my little beard guy towards the bottom of my nail, and then I'm going to go in with a hat that I'm going to make gold on top. And so this is where I'm saying, like, this gold, it is gold, but it kind of seems like it's more like a green gold, if that makes sense. I don't know. It could all be in my head, but that's just the vibe I got. Also, I'm currently sitting in my closet because it's the only place in this house that has carpet, and it's right next to my son's bathroom, and he is in the bath. So if you hear splashing, it's not me. So, anywho, I then decided to do these little leaf things on my index finger, and I wanted them off to the side for like just I don't know, I didn't want it to be like an even look on there. I went for the unevenness on that nail. All right. And then on my ring finger, I was trying to layer this one. So I think it could have come out better, but you know, it's fine. Because in the little card, it actually showed a layering thing. Their layering came out exquisite on the little like card thing that you get in your box. My layering, it's a different word, I know. They had the like happy harvest one, and I'm using welcome, but I digress. It's what it is, okay? We know that, but with me by now, like, yeah. So, sorry guys, my nose is also stuffy. These allergies here are killing me. So for my little pinky, I'm doing a little plant. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. And so this is my little gnome, my little gnomey Manny. I actually really love these plates. I am excited to use these probably in the spring actually, because I mean, gardening, flowers and stuff start happening in the spring. It was a little like interesting that they did it for November, but whatever, still cool. I enjoyed it. I'm doing my smudge-free top coat, and then I'm going to go in with my nail polish top coat. I am not going to be capping my free edge. Because I'm going to be taking, unfortunately, this off fairly quickly. I think I left it on for a day. I'm going to be taking it off fairly quickly so that way I can get into filming some dip videos for Halloween. I say that. Hopefully I can get them up relatively quickly. So, yeah. I'm using my Totally Jelly top coat from Lights Lacquer, and the color that I used is strawberry shortcake, I believe, from Lights Lacquer. I'll have everything linked in the description box, or listed in the description box for y'all to check out, because while I don't know the names right on hand like this, I do go back and look at the names and put them in the description box. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and Cloyce saves 10% at Maniology. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, bitches!